It is Allie Michelle Broadway, a white female with brown hair and blue eyes, 12 years old, 4 foot 11 inches tall, weighing 107 pounds. She was last seen wearing a gray James Madison University sweatshirt and dark-colored fleece pants. The child is believed to have been abducted by Caleb Christopher Merritt, white male with brown hair and green eyes, 5 foot 10 inches tall, weighing 250 pounds. There is no clothing description for the suspect at this time. He is possibly driving a 2000 light green Mercury Grand Marquis with Texas registration DMP 2294. For further information, contact the Henry County Sheriff's Office at 276-638-8757 or visit twitter.com/VSP alerts.